This one caught my attention a few days ago, and it's on magnet links. Most of you would say, "What the fuck is a magnet link?" Okay, it has to deal with BitTorrent. So this magnet link is probably, as we know it now, it's going to be the future of BitTorrent. Okay, and what's the difference between a magnet link and a torrent? The torrent has a tracker associated with it. A magnet link doesn't, so it's like decentralized, sharing. So I'll show you a traditional way of how you do it here. So you have like a site like Pirate Bay or maybe Mini Nova or something like that, and you go and you download the torrent, all right, and you download the torrent file here, and that's how you would open it and load it to your your torrent client, which I have transmission here, and you see there's a tracker in here. It can be one or more, and that's how you connect with people. But that's the reason why they were getting sued. Okay, like the Pirate Bay and all that. But with the magnet link, you don't need no trackers at all. Well, that's the idea there. And I really like magnet links for other reasons. I'll show you in a minute. But let's delete this, and I'll show you how the magnet link works. Now you see how you have the torrent for that, right? The magnet link, you don't download nothing. It's just a link, and it'll add it to your BitTorrent client. Just like that. So if I click on the magnet links right here, it just opens some link, and you load it up, and this one will be added to your BitTorrent client. It might take a little bit longer, a few more seconds, I mean, and it'll still work the same way. You see, and I'll start downloading. But this right now, it still has a tracker associated with it. It's common like that right now, but in the future they want it to be trackerless. But it still works if you get rid of the tracker. So let me show you that. Okay. So let's delete this. And if I copy this magnet link here, and let me show you. Well, this is the link. This is how it looks like. Magnet, blah 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 here. But when you get to the names and the tracker here, you can actually get rid of that. So let me get rid of that here. And just copy this link, and you'll see that if you add it in, add URL here, paste it. Well, right now it's just some random shit, but if you wait a few seconds, it will be the names, and there's no trackers associated, in it. So if I go to a tracker now, there is no tracker, and it still works. See? So that's the idea. They came out with a new standard, so not all BitTorrent clients have it yet. All right, but in the future, all the sites, all the BitTorrent client will have it. As far as transmission, they barely just got this feature in 180. Anything below this, you don't have a magnet link. Okay, so upgrade right now if you want to use it. But that's how that works. And the thing I like about magnet links is, you know how you download a torrent and then later you forget where the hell you got it from, and your friend wants to download the same link as you. The thing is, you have to go and search for it again on the internet. That is fucking stupid. I hate that shit. But with the magnet link, it can be either a torrent that you added or a magnet link that you added. Doesn't really matter, as long as it's in your client. You can actually right click on this and copy the the magnet link, and then you send this to your friend without going back and look for the site that you found it from. I really like that, and all you gotta do is just paste it in up here and then connect to it. Done. So that's why another convenience of the magnet link, and also trackerless. So that's really convenient for me. So that's all I want to say about that. And I'll post some links on the side if you want to read up on it. But as far as I know, all the Pirate Bay guys, they're saying this is the future and all that. And this is the first one that does magnet only, links at the index here. So you can actually, let me see, search for something like Kubuntu or something. And you see, it just contains magnet links only. It doesn't have any torrents or anything. So it's just a little magnet, and you would click on that and you would add it. But right now, some of them, well, most of them, they have the trackers associated with it. But in the future, the idea is that there will be no trackers at all, and maybe that won't get them in trouble. The BitTorrent guys. So that's it. It was interesting to me. I'd like to share that, and magnet links for the future.